Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move Twitter follows to BlueSky. In the Chrome Store or Firefox add-on, go to Sky Follower Bridge. Click Add to Chrome. Add extension. Open your BlueSky account. Click Settings. Click App Passwords. Add app password. Name it whatever. Copy password. Click back to your Twitter following list. Open the extension by clicking or shortcut Alt+B. Wait for the list to load. If it's being slow, try clicking off and hitting the button again. Follow whoever you want to keep following. Exit. Remove the extension. Go back to BlueSky and delete the temporary app password. Then that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.